Hi, what's up XRP holders? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special and very important for all of you because XRP price will pumps up. So therefore I am so happy and very excited to volume, price, my friend, percentage, everything is going to be increasing now. So therefore it's a very good moment for all of you now, my friend, and especially for XRP holder because my brother, all holders are get a very good profit in the last days of this month. So therefore I am so happy and I hope you will also be very happy. In those days, my friend, as you can see here, the all currency were very badly face down. But XRP absolutely one of the unique coin, my friends. So they will get a very good profit, and I am so happy. I'm very excited to see this now. What's your expectation, my friends, to see this now? And please, everything share it in the comment box. What's your opinion? What's your prediction? Everything, please. Alright, so experts says, my friends, to upcoming time there is a 70% chance so they will pumps up more, and so if they will just only more moving more up, so absolutely they will easily hit now, my friend, 1.5 USD dollar. This is a very huge target, but remember this is not a very huge because when a price will pumps up they will just only get a 5% profit. So absolutely it's 100% clear to they will get a my friends 1.5 USD dollar. So kindly holder, you will also need to hold now if you are hold. So it's absolutely, my friends, moving upward. So please, my opinion and my advice for all of you to hold it, and I hope in upcoming time they will get a very good profit. So why you miss this chance? Please take a risk and get 100% profit. Otherwise, my friend, in the start of month every coin were very badly falls down. So therefore if you invest in the second month, so next month definitely you will never get a profit. So hope you understand. Please hold a like video and also subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.